Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make blocks Titanic. First, let's dive into the core concepts. To build something truly massive and stable with blocks, you need to think like an engineer. We'll cover selecting the right materials, designing an unshakable base, and using clever interlocking methods. This approach ensures your creation stands tall and strong, resisting forces that would topple lesser structures. Get ready to transform your block building skills. The secret to any Titanic structure begins with its foundation. Imagine a pyramid. Its broad base provides incredible stability. Your block creation needs a similar approach. Start by making your base at least 1/3 wider than the planned height of your structure. Use the heaviest, most stable blocks for these initial layers, ensuring they are perfectly level. This wide, heavy base will anchor your entire project, preventing any wobbling or collapse. Once your foundation is set, the next crucial step is mastering interlocking. Think of a brick wall. Each brick overlaps the one below, distributing weight and preventing weak points. Never stack blocks directly on top of each other with aligned seams. Instead, stagger your joints, ensuring each upper block bridges two lower ones. For ultimate strength, consider using a bonding agent between layers, creating a monolithic, unyielding structure that can withstand significant pressure. Finally, achieving true structural integrity at a Titanic scale requires careful attention to design as you build upwards. While your base is wide, you can gradually taper the structure as it gains height, maintaining stability. For very tall creations, consider internal support columns or bracing within the blockwork. Always use consistent block types and check your work frequently with a level and plumb line. These steps ensure your magnificent block structure remains stable and impressive for a very long time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.